Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to find and share your Setmore booking page link using the updated 2025 layout. If you're a service provider or small business owner, these links make it super easy for clients to book with you, no back and forth needed. First, open your browser and go to setmore.com. Log into your account and you'll be taken to your calendar dashboard. At the top right corner, tap the menu icon. From the drop-down, click Share Your Booking Page link. You'll now see your next Setmore link. Click Copy Link to save it or instantly share it via Facebook, WhatsApp, email, or Messenger. If you want to make your link shorter or branded, go to your profile, booking page, edit, and type your preferred URL. Now your link can match your brand name, clean, and professional. Paste your booking link wherever your clients can see it, on your Instagram bio, your Facebook business page, inside your email footer, or in DMs and chats with clients. Once they click it, they can view your calendar and book directly. No need to message you back and forth. And that's it. Now you know how to find, customize, and share your Setmore booking link using the 2025 layout. It's easy, fast, and it helps you get more bookings on autopilot.